You dumping out the sand? What else do you have? You have an excavator?
We're gonna go to a different ranch. Come on. Let's go to the next one. Where are you going with it?